Hey guys, it's Emma, and I finally figured out why my audio wasn't working on my other camera, and that was because um the audio was broken. So I'm really sorry if there's really bad quality right now. One, it's like 10 o'clock at night. No, just kidding. It's like 8. Um, Two, I'm in a room with really bad lighting. I'm in my mom's room because my room is really dark, and so my audio, my camera, broke, so I have to get that fixed. Right now, I'm using my phone, and I have pneumonia, so it's just all this messed up stuff, and like I just can't handle it. Like it's like, see, I have like all these tissues next to me, and I actually have an inhaler in my room. Um, Medicine in my I have antibiotics, and I had to go to the hospital today because I had to get an IV because I was really dehydrated, and I shouldn't really talk about this on camera, but I couldn't pee, and I was drinking lots of water, so I had to get um stuff put in my arm. It's basically this needle that they shove in your arm like a shot, but they have to find your vein, and they leave it in there. They don't just take it out immediately. So I just wanted to let you know what was going on and why I'm like this and why I'm not wearing makeup. Because it's like, oh, I actually am still wearing a little bit. I'm just not wearing any on my eyes because I took that off. And yeah, I just don't want to show you guys all my pimples. So good night. And if you're wondering what I'm wearing right now, it is this shirt. That it's my sister's shirt, but it fits me perfectly, and I love it. So good night, all y'all, and I love you.